Every roast turkey begins life long before it reaches the factory. Controlled nutrition builds consistency at industrial scale. Climate control stabilizes growth across thousands of birds. Even light cycles affect final meat texture. Weeks of controlled growth lead to harvest readiness. Stress reduction begins before transport even starts. Hydration keeps growth steady and predictable. Health checks ensure uniform quality from day one.
Data drives every decision on the farm.
Only birds meeting strict weight targets move forward. Movement paths are designed for efficiency and welfare. Clean transport protects product integrity.
Every movement is trained and standardized.
The journey to the factory is tightly timed. Traceability begins before processing starts. Now the factory phase draws closer. This is where farming hands over to industry. Timing and temperature stay locked from farm to factory. Climate control preserves animal condition during transit. Every kilometer is tracked in real time.
The industrial ecosystem begins to appear.
This infrastructure feeds mass production. Biosecurity controls the first factory boundary.
Flow management prevents delays and stress.
Staging aligns transport with processing capacity. Digital scheduling drives precision. Alignment ensures a sealed transfer. Temperature integrity stays unbroken.
Final checks clear the load for entry.
The factory receives its raw input.
Everything beyond this point is controlled. Mechanical handling replaces manual strain. The processing chain officially begins.
From here, the factory takes full control.
Each batch enters the system with identity. This is where scale transforms livestock into food. Energy, air, and water fuel continuous operation. Separation protects both product and people. Biosecurity is enforced at every threshold.
Uniform protection maintains hygiene consistency.
Oversight begins before processing starts. Flow is adjusted to factory rhythm. Controlled light defines the processing environment.
This space is built for volume.
Every movement follows a defined system. Clean floors support safe throughput. Airflow is engineered for containment. Buffers smooth timing differences. Automation replaces hesitation. Human oversight remains essential. The first processing stage approaches. Preparation begins before processing. Cleaning starts before the product is even touched. Every surface is stripped back to clean. Moisture is removed before entry continues. Human handling begins with care. Movement is guided, never rushed. Only healthy birds move forward.
Go here.
Sorting protects final product quality. Timing aligns with downstream capacity. Surface cleaning prepares the next stage. Nothing is left unmanaged.
Consistency begins with spacing.
Data confirms readiness. Automation reacts instantly. The clean line is established.
Hygiene resets between stages.
Flow becomes continuous. Now the core transformation begins. This stage demands precision and control.
Modern systems prioritize consistency and care.
Uniform positioning sets the standard. Uniform positioning sets the standard.
Elevation improves workflow efficiency.
Cleanliness is layered, not assumed.
Human eyes validate machine work.
Temperature shapes final texture. Flow adapts instantly to conditions.
Precision replaces excess.
Data keeps the system balanced. Synchronization prevents bottlenecks. Moisture control protects downstream systems. The foundation is now complete. The real transformation is about to begin. Now the factory changes the product forever. Heat is where raw becomes recognizable.
Automation feeds transformation.
Each zone shapes flavor and texture. Precision replaces guesswork. Moisture protects tenderness. Time and heat are synchronized.
This is where aroma is born.
Machines see what humans cannot.
Nothing goes to waste.
Air quality is engineered. Human judgment confirms machine logic. Final heat locks in identity. Cooking ends at exact thresholds. Stability follows intensity. Structure is set before handling.
Volume becomes streamlined.
Now technology takes over. At this scale, automation becomes the backbone. Robots replace repetition, not control. Every product is visually measured. Data decides the path. Heat N. Uniformity is engineered. Spacing keeps speed predictable. Orientation matters at scale. Imperfections are detected instantly. Quality control never stops the flow. Efficiency is always visible. Flexibility keeps production continuous. Cleanliness is automated too. Harmony prevents waste. Human intelligence guides machine power. Every gram is accounted for. The system locks into balance. Now precision defines the finish. Here, precision replaces speed. Balance prepares the final finish. Appearance matters at scale. Uniformity is verified, not assumed. Only millimeters make the difference. Human judgment adds the final touch. Exact weight defines consistency. Finishing aligns with market demand.
Texture is part of quality.
Cooling locks in structure. Approval clears the line. Packaging requires perfection. Cleanliness is finalized. All paths become one. Quality waits for no rush.
Inspection is next.
Every unit must be proven. Science now takes the lead. Quality is proven, not promised. Random sampling protects the whole batch. Safety begins with temperature. Invisible risks are measured here. Minutes replace days of waiting. Quality includes efficiency.
Aroma is balanced, slightly nutty undertones.
Human senses still matter.
Texture is quantified.
Nutrition is verified.
Traceability closes the loop.
Approval clears the batch.
Nothing breaks continuity. Only the best continues.
The batch is cleared.
The final stage begins. Timing is reset for packaging. Now the product meets the world. This is where product becomes ready for the market. Consistency begins with placement. Freshness is locked in.
Every seal is verified.
Information travels with the product. Traceability never ends.
Accuracy protects trust.
Logistics shape the flow. Protection for the journey ahead. Every case is secured. Automation builds stability.
Loads are locked for transport.
Cold preserves quality until dispatch.
Inventory stays visible in real time.
Distribution begins here.
And this is how modern factories produce roast turkey from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.